मातरम वंदे मातरम सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम शस्य श्यामला मातरम वंदे I sang this song because this year, 2026 Republic Day Parade hold the theme of 150 years of Vande Mataram, the national song penned by the great patriot and the poet Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in 1870. But it was published in his book Anandamath in 1882, and Rabindranath Tagore was the one who set the poem to music in 1986. This song became a mass rallying cry and a patriotic hymn during partition of Bengal or to the entire freedom struggle, and finally the Constituent Assembly of India adopted Vande Mataram as a national song of Republic India on January 24, 1950. In the heartbeat and express true movement, when words fall silent and speaks the loudest, the arts speak the loudest to celebrate the pride, unity and spirit of the nation. We now present a patriotic dance by Aradhya Das from class 6, where every step reflects love of our country and every rhythm echoes the strength of India. native thought on Republic Day. Patriotism can be expressed in many ways. One of the most powerful ways through patriotic song, which show our deep respect and love for the nation. Over the years, many great singers have dedicated their voices to the nation, and that contribution has been etched in the pages of Indian history. To express that same courage and serenity, I request our school choir group to kindly come forward and present their patriotic song. Just like the word says, "Tu mera karma, tu mera dharma." दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ए वतन तेरे लिए। दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ए वतन तेरे लिए। हर कदम अपना करेंगे, हर कदम अपना करेंगे ए वतन तेरे लिए। दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ए वतन तेरे लिए। तू मेरा कर्मा, तू मेरा धर्मा, तू मेरा अभिमान है। तू मेरा कर्मा, तू मेरा धर्मा, तू मेरा अभिमान है। So when music meets devotion, patriotism comes alive. So please welcome a solo dance performance by Sneha Guru, which slowly dedicated to our motherland.
देश का When was it enforced? 1950. That much as Indians we should know, isn't it? And Manju said rightly, this is the longest constitution of the world. We have formulated many ideas and principles from various constitutions that are existing in the world. Everything is incorporated and one of the longest constitution of the world. And what is this constitution? As citizens, can you tell me? Yogesh also can say. What is this constitution? When we think about India, the first thing come to our mind is constitution. When the principles of constitution is at stake, India is at stake. So what is this constitution? History teaches? This is the supreme law of the land, Sunaina rightly put it. It's like the skeleton. If we have to have a body cannot exist, my dear children, without having a say loudly, skeleton that gives shape to our body. Otherwise, just visualize a body without any bones or a skeleton. Will it stand erect? Ashutosh? No. Will it be able to move? It will be only a mass of flesh which has no existence like that. So shape to our constitution gives shape to our entire existence. And what are the few principles of our constitution or democracy as Indians? 3-4 times it was repeated, those 4 principles. It should be at the tip of the tongue of every Indian. Very poor in listening. No. That same phrases Manju said and Shabani said once or twice, it was said. 4 principles of our democracy. Nobody has any idea. Teachers also can say. First and foremost, what first quality is, or the first principle is justice. What is it? Justice. Repeat loudly. Next year it should not be in this situation. What is the first principle? Justice. Second one, teachers. Liberty. Then equality, then fraternity. What is the meaning of fraternity? Equality, you know, everybody is given equal importance in the nation, in a democracy. Justice, we know. What is rightful due of each one, giving that is called justice if you define justice in language. Then equality, fraternity. Now I ask you, what do you mean by fraternity? Very good. Fraternity means brotherhood. So that is, we are repeating in the in the school pledge every day. What? What do you say the pledge? What do you repeat in the pledge? India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. That is fraternity. Looking at the eye of the other and see a brother or a sister in that person, is that quality is called a fraternity, isn't it? So now tell me, children, together. Equality, and fraternity. These, who is supposed to practice? All the people in the armed forces, those who are in the defense, those who are in uniform, it is their duty. Is it exclusively their duty? Then whose duty to ensure the principles of democracy in our country? I or us? It is my duty. So what are you supposed to practice, my dear children, when we celebrate a national festival like that? These main qualities, isn't it? So on 1950, India became what? Can you define in one term? Anjana, Miss, where are you? All those who teach, yes. India became Republic. Okay. Democracy means what? What does democracy define? A government, children, you are studying history, no? Democracy means what? A government of the people, for the people, by the people. That is democracy. Where these basic principles fail, our nation ceases to be a democratic nation. When the government is not for the people, that we have to look around and see what is happening. Whether constitutional values are upheld in every nook and corner of our motherland, whether democratic values are upheld and practiced, where people experience liberty, freedom, brotherhood, justice is given to people. If these qualities are practiced, our country is a democratic country. If it is, we are to blame ourselves, not anybody else. We need not to point a finger at somebody else. Okay, our politicians may be correct, people in power may be correct, they may not be thinking for the bigger world. For the nation, many may be selfish. These values, they may not be even aware of those who are elected and are in power, who have only vested interest. But then you being educated in an institution and you are taught to be patriotic, this patriotism should be in our blood as Indians. And each one need to do your bit. Ocean is made of what, children? Ocean, you understand? What is ocean? Another synonym for ocean. Water body. We have so many English synonyms for ocean. Other than water body, is definitely a water body. Ocean. Sea. Okay. Sea or ocean. It's made up of what? Water. Every drop of water together finally makes the ocean. Isn't it? All the rivers from the beginning it flows and finally ends where? In the ocean. Similarly, each citizen in the country, when one does one's responsible task, you are making the nation. So can you build India? Snehakana, can you build India? If you think I am only a Snehakana in class, I am very weakly, I don't even have energy, I can do nothing if you think, you can't do anything. But you think that I am a responsible citizen of the country, I can do my bit and that bit will be added with everybody's bit, will make our country a wonderful democratic country. You can do many things. Understood, children? Instead of nodding the head, Rahul, you can also speak. Can we do? Yes. Now, today, let me ask you one or two simple questions. Who is the chief guest of 77th Republic Day's function in Delhi? Gautam Dev. President of the European Council. Very good. That part is correct. Who will name that person? President of European Council. Antonio. Yes, correct. Antonio Costa. One more lady is there. President of European Commission. Who will tell? Class 8C? Lady. Teachers are, I know. Children, anybody? These are things you should know. In GK, such a question should come. Every year, who are the chief guests? Who is there? Yes, Biplav sir, you said? Ursula von der Leyen. Her full name is. She is the president. So these two people from European Commission and Council are the chief guests for today's function. Okay. So yesterday the President, Honorable President, addressed to the nation, and you are very good at browsing the net now. So find out what was her main thrust of her speech to the nation. What did the President tell me? Who are the people? Today, at least on National Festival Day, we should remember. Shoulders. Shoulder is this. You have two shoulders. This is shoulder. Away in a very vulnerable places, guarding our bodies in extreme minus temperature, without any proper living situations. Our bodies are guarded by our armed forces. Those noble heroes, if we look into the reels, 2 days before, 23rd, very big tragedy took place in Jammu and Kashmir. Anybody has seen that? If you really have patriotism, you will see that and you will pray for them. Anybody? Elders and youngsters. Anybody can say, children, did you see? No idea, no idea. Elders is Doda. What happened? What happened in Doda in Jammu Kashmir? 23rd, 2 days before. One big, huge army truck overturned, 200 meters down, it fell down, and young men, 10 of them lost their life. They are the martyrs. If their death doesn't touch us, we are not patriotic. We are very comfortable to sit here. They belong to a family, maybe somebody's husband, maybe somebody's son, somebody's brother. Very young men. 10 of them died. All smart heroes of our country. Some got married only 2 months before, some wife after the marriage pregnant, waiting for delivery. All such, every day if you look, something or another, some part of the other, where these heroes of our country must give their life for the country. Their life is sacrificed at the altar of our motherland. When you are browsing and seeing all unwanted reels, let your concentration be on such kind of things. What our country is doing for us. How much sacrifice is made by the armed forces, BSF, SSB, CRPF, or different, there are 20-25 groups of armed forces, defense personnel. They are every time ready to sacrifice their life for our country. And what are we here sitting? Many are Fauji's children. But that I was so disturbed because when the body is brought, each family is completely lost. Every day this is happening. For whom are they doing that? It is for the security of our nation, my dear children. So we can't do great things, but one thing we can do, we can pray for their safety. In the very dangerous terrains they are living, let God protect them. Let God take care of them. Now all those people who lost their sons, mothers and wives, those who lost their husbands, pray that they be comforted. They find some meaning in life. Understood, children? Yes. So, this is what we can be every day. Do our best to promote these principles in our life and in the life of others. Justice, repeat, justice, liberty, equality and brotherhood. And one more additional thing, pray for all those who are in the defense, all those who are guarding our country. Pray for them, for their safety and their well-being. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। थैंक यू। इसकी मिट्टी से बने तेरे मेरे बदन, इसके धरती तेरे मेरे वास्ते गगन। इसने ही सिखाया हमको जीने का चलन, जीने का चलन, जीने का चलन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा मन, मेरा तन। ऐ वतन, ऐ वतन, ऐ वतन, जाने मन, जाने मन, जाने मन। ऐ वतन, ऐ वतन, ऐ वतन, जाने मन, जाने मन, जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क, मेरा देश, मेरा ये वतन, शांति का, उन्नति का, प्यार का चमन। मेरा मुल्क, मेरा देश, मेरा ये वतन, शांति का, उन्नति का, प्यार का चमन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन, मेरा मन। ऐ वतन, ऐ वतन, ऐ वतन, जाने मन, जाने मन, जाने मन। ऐ वतन, ऐ वतन, ऐ वतन, जाने मन, जाने मन, जाने मन। Thank you.
है वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जाकर लुटा जाएंगे। भूल क्या चीज़ है तेरे कदमों में, हम तेज अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे। है वतन हमको तेरी।
हो